Artificial intelligence and data science are reshaping industries and driving innovation across the globe. In this video, we'll explore the latest insights and innovations in these dynamic fields. First, let's discuss the impact of AI on various industries. In healthcare, AI-powered diagnostic tools are revolutionizing disease detection and treatment planning, improving patient outcomes. In finance, AI algorithms analyze vast datasets to detect fraudulent transactions and optimize investment strategies, enhancing security and efficiency. Similarly, in retail, AI-driven recommendation systems enhance customer experience and increase sales by providing personalized product suggestions. Machine learning plays a crucial role in data science, enabling the extraction of insights and predictions from data. Techniques such as supervised learning and reinforcement learning empower organizations to make data-driven decisions. The future of AI holds promising advancements, including AI-driven automation, explainable AI for transparency and trust, and integration with IoT devices for smart environments. Examples of successful AI applications include virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, as well as autonomous vehicles such as Tesla's self-driving cars, showcasing the transformative power of AI technology. Data quality is paramount in AI projects, ensuring the reliability and performance of AI models. Techniques like data cleaning and pre-processing are essential for maintaining high-quality datasets. AI revolutionizes decision-making processes by providing insights and predictions based on analysis of large datasets. Decision support systems powered by AI help organizations optimize processes, mitigate risks, and identify growth opportunities. However, ethical considerations are crucial in AI development. Addressing issues like bias, fairness, privacy, and transparency is essential to ensure responsible deployment of AI solutions. Neural networks are fundamental to AI, mimicking the structure and function of the human brain. Deep learning algorithms, which utilize neural networks with multiple hidden layers, have shown remarkable success in tasks like image recognition and natural language processing. In conclusion, AI and data science continue to drive innovation, transforming industries, enhancing decision-making processes, and shaping the future of technology. By prioritizing ethical considerations and data quality, we can ensure the responsible and effective deployment of AI solutions. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and like our videos.